Ever since I slapped these 12-inch Supermoto wheels on my RTR, the thing has wheelied like a dream. But rumor has it, this simple mod from Electro Co further elevates this bike into S-tier stunt bike. These are the ENC Pit Bike High Bars. ENC designed these to complement the style of the stock bars, just with a slightly higher rise. The higher bars should 1. Improve the general ergonomics of the bike, especially for taller riders. 2. Give you more leverage of the maneuverability of the bike, which will be most noticeable on the trails or the track. And 3. Most importantly, allow you to sit taller and more upright on the bike, which will directly improve sit-down wheelies, but even be more so beneficial for knee knocks and stand-up wheelies. As you guys can see, these pit bike bars look just marginally higher than the stock bars. I would say maybe an inch or two higher. It'll be easier to tell once they're on. Install is easy peasy. Remove my bar bag, take off the crossbar, remove the display, take off the handguards, remove the throttle, remove the brakes, remove the bars. Struggle to get off the left side hand grip. All right guys, so here's the difference between the pit bike bars and the stock bars. These are just slightly taller. It's not a huge difference, like an inch or so higher, I guess you could say. So you can see the difference on the bar pads here, but should be excited. This will definitely help with ergonomics and especially wheelies. For install, we're just doing everything in reverse, putting the throttle on first, getting the bars set up, subsequently putting on the brakes, as well as the crossbar, the handguards, and everything necessary to get this thing back to dialed. Alrighty guys, so they're fully mounted up. I did put the handguards on. Let me know if you guys like the handguards. I don't think they look quite as good with the high-rise bars, so I might take them off, but let's show you the bike. So guys, here we have it. Bars are on. This definitely feels like they sit way higher, which is pretty cool. I'm excited to see how they feel for wheelies. It's definitely gonna be better ergonomics wise because you're just not reaching as far down for the bars, but it should help a lot with knee knocks and seat standers, having the bars sit a little bit higher. But let's just go test this thing. All right guys, so we are out on the bike now, cruising. You can see the new bars. They're definitely sitting higher than the stock bars. But the thing I noticed right off the bat, I feel like when you have higher bars, like pit bike tall bars on bikes like this, they tend to make the overall ergonomics more comfortable. So like, I don't have to reach as far down. I was like probably like down here on the stock bars, whereas up here, now with the pit bike bars, they sit a lot higher. There's gonna be a lot of benefits to this. To me, it makes the bike feel a little more maneuverable. So this could be good if you're doing like trails or track and you really, the small little inputs matter with being able to get over the bars and turn the wheel and all that. So it feels super good so far. The biggest thing I'm excited to see is how it helps with wheelies, because I do think it'll help with wheelies, but we're gonna do that at a closed private lot in just a second. So I'll see you there in 3, 2, 1. And we are here, as you can see, road closed. This is a closed course, YouTube. But yeah, we're out on the RTR. We're gonna test out these bars, see how it feels, most importantly for wheelies. So let's do it. Let's start with some circle wheelies, because that's, you know, most important. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I actually can sit a lot further back on the seat, I'm realizing right now, because I don't have to reach as far forward. Oh yeah. Bars just feel so much higher. We get up to a knee knock. Whoa. Oh, I felt the bars move. I think I need to tighten them a little bit. Good thing we got our tools. Connor never tightens anything to spec. All right, bars are tightened. Take 2, we were doing circle wheelies, so let's get back to it. Oh yeah. Yeah, the benefit is you can sit a lot further back, which actually makes your balance point not quite as high, because with the lower bars, you have to sit a little further forward. So you have to drop back a lot further. But wow, these are nice. If you're a really tall rider too, you have to worry less about your knees hitting the bars as well, which is a added benefit here. Woo! All right, circles well. Oh my gosh, it's like you can just chill so much further back. Where I think it's gonna be best though is definitely for combos. So knee knock, I'm able to be a lot higher on the seat. Let's get up to a seat stander. Yeah. Nice. Very nice. Oh yeah. Because you just don't have to reach as far. That's the biggest thing. That's why everyone on like Surrounds and everything gets those riser bars, because it's easier. It's more comfortable too. How the swerve's looking. Thinking of making this bike my main bike, get really good on it, Definitely needs a seat cover still, because I do slip and slide around, but whew, it's too much fun, and it just looks so damn good. See how it one hands? Woo! The bars look so much bigger. And up to a knee knock. Let's circle this knee knock. Whoa. A little too much speed there, pal. Yeah, guys, but these come in at $69, so not the cheapest mod in the world. If you use code ConnorG, you can save some. But it kind of is pretty much just like a pro taper bar, except Electro Co branded. I know they engineered these in-house or whatever, but it reminds me just exactly like a pro taper bar, similar to the pro tapers I have on my Razor MX 500, just a little bit smaller. But wow, they look good, they feel good. Woo! Squirrely! Your boy hasn't ridden enough! Knee knock swerves. Don't mind if I do! Take the turn, don't mind if I do! Oh, this bike is just so fun. Can we stop yet? Oh, we can! I've never like had good enough front brakes to stop it on like one of these minis. Woo. Oh yeah, feet up circles, nice and slow, nice and tight. Can tell I haven't ridden in a while because I'm like breathing heavy and I already have arm pump. Let's try another stoppie. Hey! Yeah, these bigger bars are also better for stoppies because you have a little more leverage when you're rolling them. Yo! I did not expect it to do that. It's because these front forks are so good. They're super stiff, which is really good for stoppies. More predictable. Oh, we're just having a grand old time out here. I can't believe how good at stoppies. Man, oh man, guys. Well, I was a little afraid of how they look with the handguards on. They look fire without the handguards for sure, but I think it still looks good with the handbars, or with the handguards. I do think that the stock bars looked a little better with the handguards, but I still think it looks pretty money. But it also feels just really good. I'm so happy with this bike so far, guys. It's just so perfect. Such a wheelie beast. Oh my goodness. Knee knock circles, say less. All day, all day, all day. I tried the side saddle. Wow, not bad. Not bad at all. Because I'm actually seated further back with how they're taller. Easy. Like butter! Best pit bike, stunt bike of the year by far. And there's going to be more power upgrades coming forward eventually here. I have never been able to stoppie a mini like that. That's crazy. And I think these big bars help. Oh, apologies, I'm already out of breath. Woo! Well, guys, as always, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're on our road to 100K subs. We're at like 93 right now. I'd greatly appreciate it if you could sub. It would really help the channel. But we are absolutely loving this RTR. We're going to continue to do a ton of videos on it, building it, riding it, ripping it, probably wrecking it at some points. But so excited, so happy with this bike. If you want this bike or any of the parts on it, feel free to use code ConnorG at electrocompany.com. I'll link that down in the description below. But otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.